Alright guys, so we're going to change out the belt on this. And I kind of jumped ahead a little bit. I've already taken it off, but I can still show you how to do it. I know that there's other videos out here on YouTube that'll show you, but basically here's a bolt, or this one's actually a machine screw, I guess, but it's 8mm by 1.25, and it's about 2.5 inches long, maybe 3 inches long, something like that. But if you look into these holes, there's 3 holes, 1, 2, and 3. These don't have anything in there, and this one is threaded. So just put that in there and tighten it up, and what that does is it opens up this so your belt can fall in there, and that gives you more room to get stuff out. Alright, so we got the belt off. Something you need to pay attention to is this right here. You can see over here where I've already kind of polished this up, but I have just some steel wool. Drive me freaking crazy. And you can just barely feel that. It kind of feels like belt residue, but if you look at it, it looks like it's surface rust. On this side closest to me, it didn't need anything from what I can tell, but for some reason that back plate had a little bit of surface rust on it. Here's the old belt. You can see it's all jacked up, and this side looks pretty good. Seems really smooth. It was definitely Tom. It was actually in this way, and that might be why that got all chewed up, was because of that rust. And here's the new belt. It's XTX 2236. This is for aggressive riding, and it's not that I'm going to be doing aggressive riding. I just wanted it to maybe last longer than a normal one. So since this belt, the old one, since it's still good and usable, it's just herky jerky and all that, I'm going to keep that as a backup, kind of in the spare parts. So alright, let's put this on. So when putting these belts on, they're not directional. They have arrows on them that's showing which way it's going, but that's basically, that's for once you put it on and you take it off for whatever reason and you need to put it back on, that's so that you get the direction the same way. It's not the direction of the belt. If you put it on this way with the arrows pointing that way, and you take the belt off, as long as you put it on just like that, you're not going to have any issue at all. But it just makes it easier if you put it on the direction of the belt. So let's put this on. And since those arrows are pointing that way, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, the arrow right there, they're all pointing this way, so that's the direction I'm going to put these arrows. You see that? Go. Alright, so you see how loose that is, right? Put that there. I'll do this so hopefully you can see it. Alright. So we're going to back this bolt out, and this is going to squeeze together. Just that easy. And there you go. So now, go ahead and start this up. The wrong size belt. I think it is. Alright, there you go. And basically all you'll do is just put all the bolts back in all the way around. Now I have, you can see that vent hose. I need to replace that. It's obviously you can tell it's pretty bad. So I'm not going to put all this back on, but I need to replace that. This up one right here, it's cracked a little bit too. Might just put some RTV around it, because I don't know where I'll find that boot. So there you go. Like I said, there you go. Like I said, it's pretty easy, but you got to have that 8mm by 1.25 thread pitch. It's about 3 inches long to separate that one apart to get the belt off. And then make sure you clean those plates on all 4 sides. This one, this one, this one, and this one. One thing that I did was I drilled a hole right here, and that's to access, I don't know if you can see that bolt hole right there. Everything else I could access without much issue, but that one was kind of tough. So I made it not so tough. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Hope that helps somebody out. Y'all comment, rate, and we'll catch you later. See ya.